Hello, this is Patrick Devine with Ed Cawthorn's Data Structures and Algorithms class. This week we're working more with sorts, and I'm going to do this in two separate videos because, man, I tried to do this on my Raspberry Pi, and obviously it just did not have enough RAM, and it froze right up. So tried doing it on my laptop, which is a pretty nice laptop, I'd like to think, and it ran for about 5 minutes and then crashed. I've been having some issues here and there anyway, but I'm just gonna try to run this really quick so I can get it done. I set First of all, I took the raw data that you gave us and I wrote a simple little Python script to go through each line individually and add a comma to the end of each of the digits. Now that I did that, I just copied and pasted the array into the script here, which is going to sort each number by the product of the digits multiplied by one another. So I'm going to run this really quick just to get some of the video, and I'm gonna cancel it once you can see the idea, obviously. So my computer doesn't crash and I can actually upload this. So here we go. Um, it's like it's already too much going on. Hopefully the video doesn't crash. Come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. Oh, whoops. Whoops, sorry. So I did not press it. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry for the anticipation. Come on, baby. Come on. Ed, I really hope you actually watch this video and I'm not doing this for nothing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. Isn't that amazing? So I'm gonna run a little keyboard interrupt right here, just so I can actually post this without losing my mind. And I really hope you actually watched this video, and it wasn't just made in vain because I put a lot of effort into it. Thank you. Whew, goodness gracious. Let's cut it short and get this